From my perspective, it is the globalization and the fast-growing markets, and that there are so many changes in who are our customers, who are our suppliers, can we deliver in time, do we have a resilient supply chain? And these are all big questions that needs to be answered. Without data, you can't have transparency on all your processes, so this is really mandatory to be able to make data-driven decisions. So transparency on data and accurate data is crucial. So as I presented today, for example, having a holistic view on our customers and suppliers, so knowing our partners and utilizing this to break in silos, making better decisions, and understanding complex relationships.